Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of the little icon badges on top of your app icons. So like those little red badges that show you how much notifications you have within that application. If you would like to get rid of those, so like the ones that you see on my screen here, say 49 and 6, it's very easy to get rid of these. So I'll just show you guys, for example, right now I have ones on Messenger and Snapchat. So all you guys have to do to get rid of those is head over to your settings and open up your settings. Once you're on your settings here, you want to scroll down till you find notifications. Click on notifications, and then you want to scroll down to the app that you want to remove the icon on. So I can just scroll down to Messenger, for example. Click on Messenger, and then you will see an option here for badges. You just want to disable the badges. Once you disable the badges, that will go away on that application. So we can just do the same thing for Snapchat as well. So I'll just scroll down to Snapchat and get rid of the badges there as well. And then back out of here, and you guys will see once I go out here, they have now disappeared. Very, very simple and easy to do. I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to do this on your iPhones. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.